Ordered front rear sway bars almost 2 months ago for my BS4, and the backorder time keeps getting pushed back, and I expect to see these anytime soon. We're very sorry about this. This is a big frustration for us. We do not make sway bars here.
We tried. They were really hard to bend.
No, we never have. No, we could buy a CNC bending machine, and then you need
I was
you need to
talking
temper them.
full manual bending, but no, we've
Yeah,
never done it.
and then you need to like heat temper them, which you need a massive furnace. I'm honestly not aware of any tuning company, in the U.S. at least, that makes their own sway bars, right? So everyone in the U.S. who sells sway bars is contracting with sway bar manufacturers.
OEMs don't make their own sway bars. They deal with a spring and sway bar manufacturing company.
So this particular manufacturer that we're working with here in the U.S. has been struggling to deliver our sway bars in a timely manner, and there's been some QC issues that we've caught once they've been delivered. So the good news is you haven't gotten any bars with any problems, and once you get your bar, we will ensure that it meets all 100% of our critical specifications. But it's been taking a lot longer than it should have, and I think we made some mistakes here at not responding quickly enough to delays, and now we're in kind of a bad spot with some of these sway bars where they're 6 to 12 months late, and we're out of stock. So I'm not gonna whitewash it. It sucks. It's not your fault at all. If you'd like a refund, we'd be happy to give you one. I hope that you hang in there and give us a chance to deliver the best sway bars on the market. But yeah, this one's been, we sell over 1,200 unique products here at 034, and these sway bars, some of these sway bars have been the most problematic.
Yeah, and it's an issue. Like top down, we have weekly meetings about it, and then obviously the product managers here are dealing with it daily, trying to get these things dialed in and out the door as quick as we can. So.
We're even having meetings with the top management of the company, to escalate these concerns to them, and so I don't have a date. We just got like 200 of them in last week, and they were all made incorrectly. And so, this isn't a promise or anything, but we're supposed to get those bars are going to be completely reworked and made into specification, which involves some additional welding and fabrication.
Yep.
And we're supposed to have them back in 2 weeks. So it could be that you could have a bar in 3 weeks or something like that, barring any other delays or issues. I would just ask if you'd like to continue to communicate with our customer service team, and they can give you ETAs and updates. And again, thank you for your patience. I hope I didn't say too much, but we're here.
Well, we're not.
You have our attention, and So thank you for hanging in there.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, and in case anyone thinks we're perfect, we're just like any other company where we have to solve problems and overcome challenges. But thank you for your patience. It means a lot.
And you have